Hello, gentlemen investors and traders. The information and analytical service is in touch with you. System.GURU.Markets. Let's start with general data about the company. Let's look at each parameter in more detail below. If you want, you can stop the video. We suggest that you take a closer look at each parameter of the corporation in question. We will look at the current fundamental indicators of the company. Walmart Inc., ticker WMT. This review was created using current information as of May 17, 2025. According to Classification Guru, Markets organization Walmart Incorporated belongs to the subcategory Retail Product. 35 organizations are participating in the assessment, which is quite representative. The result for the company in question is 0.5 out of 10 points. The average score for the subcategory is 1 point. If you look broadly, within the entire stock market as a whole, we see that the average score for the stock market as a whole is 1.9. Against a score of 0.5 for the company Walmart Incorporated. Comparing the dynamics of the company's share price Walmart Incorporated and subcategory shares, we see that over the last 12 months the shares Walmart Inc. showed a change of 64.1%. 46.4% are against price changes in the subcategory. This does not prove anything definitively, but it is a fact that needs to be taken into account. Market capitalization of the company Walmart Incorporated amounts to $785.92 billion. With a capitalization of the subcategory of $1,472 billion. Walmart Incorporated makes up a share of 53.377% and is the main leader of the subcategory. The company's book value is $90.4 billion. The subcategory's book capitalization is $186 billion. Walmart Inc. accounts for 48.524%. Having compared the shares of market and balance capitalization, we see the following. Occupied share Walmart Inc. in the subcategory in case of market capitalization assessment is 53.377%. The book value is 48.524%. This is 9% less than the market capitalization share. Evaluation of the company's market share and book value of the subcategory, bad, -1 point. The company under study has debts of $72.311 billion. Debt liabilities to book capitalization constitute 80% of capital. Assessment of the company's debt level, passable, 0 points. The company's market value to profit ratio is 41.8. With an average in the subcategory of 39.9, this is 5% higher than the average in the subcategory. Evaluation of the company's market price to profit ratio in comparison with organizations in the subcategory, passable, 0 points. Profit for the last 12 months was $18,817 million. The projected profit for the next 12 months is expected to be $23.4 billion. This is 24.4% more than now. Assessment of the expected future profit indicator in comparison with the subcategory, good, 0.5 points. The company's value to revenue ratio is 1.1. The average in subcategory 1 is 10% higher than for the subcategory. Assessment of the market value to revenue ratio in comparison with the indicators of companies in the subcategory, passable, 0 points. Revenue for the last 12 months was $685,010 million. Forward revenue for the next 12 months is expected to be $819,180 million. This is 20% more than at present. Assessment of the expected future revenue indicator in comparison with the indicators of companies in the subcategory, good, 0.5 points. The marginality is 2.7%, with an average in the subcategory of 2.4%. The difference between the subcategory average and the company's performance is 0.3%. Sales profitability assessment in comparison with the performance of companies in the subcategory, good, 0.5 points. The company's share in the number of employees in the subcategory is 52.921%. This is 1% less than the market capitalization share. And this fact shows the imbalance of the company's stock price. Walmart Inc., most likely towards revaluation. The amount of capital per employee of the organization is equal to $374,000, while for the subcategory it is $371,000. The difference between the subcategory average and the company's performance is 0.8%. Assessment of the volume of market capital per employee in comparison with the indicators in the subcategory, passable, 0 points. The company's profit per employee is $9,000. Subcategory average, $9,300. And the difference between the subcategory average and the company's performance is 4%. Evaluation of profit per employee of the company in comparison with the indicators of companies in the subcategory, passable, 0 points. The company's sales per employee are $326,000. In the subcategory, $382,000. The difference between the subcategory average and the company's performance is 17%. Sales per employee rating compared to subcategory figures, passable, 0 points. The volume of short transactions corresponds to 1.1%, with an average for the subcategory of 1.8%. This is an indicator of possible short squeeze risk. Technical indicator RSI 14 shows a level of 60% for the company Walmart Incorporated. For the subcategory, the RSI level, 14, is 60%. Potentially, the subcategory securities are valued approximately the same as the company's shares. Walmart Incorporated. The company's actual stock valuation is approximately $98.25. The consensus price target for the company's shares is approximately $109. The difference between the current price and the consensus forecast is approximately 11%. Let's go to the order table, which is available, link in the pinned comment. The order table contains absolutely all decisions publicly made this season by the evaluation information system Guru.Markets. Access to the order table is absolutely free and open, link in the pinned comment. Based on the company's share valuation results, Walmart Inc. Information and reference system Guru.Markets, a decision is made. Do not open the deal, as this video is a review. Thank you all for watching this video and using the help system, Guru.Markets.